This is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford Bronco Sport in a Big Bend trim powered by a 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with four-wheel drive capabilities. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, where you've got a spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. On either side, you have these tie-down points with little lassos on them, a 12-volt power outlet, a rugged cargo floor that can be lifted up to reveal your spare with some extra other room down there. And then over here you have this button to activate your hatch lights, which can be articulated to shine where you need them. And looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with a partial cloth and wetsuit material, fold out armrest with two cup holders, as well as a USB-C down there, and the backs of the seats have zippered pouches as well as molly rigging that you can hook equipment onto. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your SUV. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your trip information, your My View with a digital speedometer, driver assistance features and settings, your Now Playing phone controls, and further information about your vehicle. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Moving down, you have your media controls with your auto start, stop, shut off, and hazards. You've got this little tray area, and then your climate controls with heated front seats so you can stay warm. Below that, you have this tray area with a USB-C, 12-volt power outlet, and wireless charging pad so you can throw your phone on there. Then you've got your main shifter on a dial, parking brake, brake hold, two cup holders, and your GOAT modes or drive mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And last but not least, you have your center compartment / armrest with another USB and USB-C inside, and that should cover our look at the interior. So now, if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.